Hello, here I am making bird out of this molded clay. I know most of you must be knowing how to make, but I made a small tutorial for you to make bird out of clay. See this way. You can use it anywhere, color it, decorate it on your plants or make a string of it. See, this is my bird. Place it on this paper. See, now here it is clearly visible. See, I have taken this clay, simply mold it, and I just make ball of it and pressed it from one side and thinner from the back side, and I just started making ball on the lifted part and pinched it at the this way. See, almost bird shape is here. Now time to squeeze it at the neck portion and at the tail side. Now start lifting it upside so you will get a neck of the bird and squeeze its beak. Now see, the bird is ready, and just give and just make eyes at both sides and slide with pencil marks, wing marks on the sides, and see, the bird is ready now. It's very simple, and you can place it, decorate it on your indoor plants, or if when it is wet, just pinch, just peer a pencil or some needle through it, and you can make it hanging bird as well. Just I show you that thing also, so it will be easy to understand. I just put a pan and made a hole in it. So now later on when it will be dry, I'll color it and make a nice bird hanging. See, this way, and now again do with the see, this way I have done. Now leave it to dry. If you feel like you need thin neck, just press with the pencil or something and give a nice neck, and again give a beak. See, in a minute I made two birds. Just press it little bit so it will sit like this. See, my birds.